and welcome to lesson 45 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the GeForce IT Service Academy. In lesson 44, we dealt with how to insert certain formulas that can help us to determine the amount of fees that each student must pay from each class. So in this lesson, we are just going to continue inserting our formulas to determine the amount of money that each student must pay from each class. So we will continue with the if statement here. If you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for all. Like and share our videos with your friends to also benefit from these videos. So let's just get started without wasting much time. So we bring our if statement here just like that. Then we open a new bracket, then we open a new bracket, then we bring our inverted commas like this. Please don't forget that this time we are dealing with basic 1. So basic 1 like this. So if someone is in basic 1, the person must pay some amount of money. But before then, let me undo this action and redo it again. So it should be C6. Sorry, C6. So C6 equals to, then you bring your inverted commas here like this. Then basic 1 like this. Then you close that particular one to the, then you bring comma. So this time the fee that the basic 1 people are going to pay, or the basic 1 student is going to pay, must be higher than that of KG1 and KG2 here. So this one should be 300 cedis. 300. Then you bring comma again. So we are going to bring another if statement. So if, then you open a new bracket, C6, that is if C6, so the C6 is the class like this. So sorry, let's cancel this. Good. So if C6, sorry, so if C6 here equals basic 2, if C6, the class here, is basic 2, then the student must pay a certain amount of money. So basic 2 like that. So before you enter the basic 2, you must bring your inverted commas, please. Sorry for that. Like this, then you close it again. So this one, we are working on the basic 2, so we should indicate the amount of money that the student is supposed to pay. So you bring your comma here. This one should be 350. The amount here should be 350 Ghana cedis. So we are going to bring another comma again, then if statement. So you bring your if like this. Please make sure you pay attention to this. After the if, then you open a new bracket like this. Then the C6, which is the class here, the C6, the C here, then the C, which is the class. So you bring equal to again, you bring inverted commas, then this time is basic 3. Basic 3 here. Good. So basic 3, then you close it again, then you bring another comma, then this one, it should be 400. This one should be 400 here. Then you bring another comma. Then we are going to insert another formula for basic 4. We are going to insert the formula that can help us to determine the amount of money that basic 4 students or the basic 4 learners are supposed to pay. So you bring your if statement again. So if, then you open a new bracket like this, then C6. C6, so the C here is the class column. So the class column C6, so the first row here represents the first student, but we don't know the class of that particular student, so we are referring all of them to this particular column here. So C6 here equal to, then you bring your inverted commas like this. Then this one is going to be basic 4 because we already dealt with basic 3. So basic 44 like this, then you close it, then you bring another comma, you bring another comma here. Then this one, the fees should be 450 Ghana cedis. The fees here should be 450 Ghana cedis. Then you bring your comma, then you bring your if statement again. But because we don't want this video to be long, we don't want the tutorial to be lengthy, we don't want you to find any difficulty in watching this video, we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 46. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you check the description of this video for more of our video links on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word on this one and only educative channel, the JForce IT Service Academy on YouTube. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 46. Bye bye.